Today we will be removing and replacing the spark module on this Frigidaire freestanding gas range.
Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time.
For a failing spark module, common symptoms you will see is the igniters all continuously sparking, or you will get no spark at all. Now let's begin the repair. Stop. Before beginning any repair, remember to disconnect the power from the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the gas. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. First, to remove the front panel, we'll have two Phillip head screws going straight up and in on the left and right side. This will drop it down. You can remove your knobs. Your front panel should slide right off. Set it to the side. Next, to remove the top, you have two more Phillip head screws on the left and right side. Remove these. Now we can remove our top grates and our burners. To remove the top panel, first you will remove the grates. These just pop right off. Next, you can remove all your burner caps. Now the middle one, the burner cap comes off along with the flame spreader. It is not screwed in. The other four, you will need a number 5 metric socket to take off. Using your 5mm socket, you can remove your flame spreaders. Next, we'll remove our 7mm bolts that are holding the top panel on. Now, with your 7mm bolts removed, you can pull up on your top panel, and the top panel will come completely off. You can set it to the side. To remove your spark module, first unhook your 6 wires that are going to it. It's best to mark them if they are not marked, just to remember the orientation. First, we'll disconnect these. Next, on the back side of this bracket, there's 2 clips that are both plastic, and it just slides right in. You can set your spark module to the side. To install the spark module, you'll put it in the bracket on the side of the oven here. Sliding it back into its slotted position. It is keyed. It is a little difficult to get in there because the metal bracket is very flimsy. Once installed, you can now reinstall your wiring. And now we can install the top panel. To reinstall the top panel, just gonna use the back and pivot it up, lining it up with the sides. Once it is lined up, using your 7mm socket, what you'll do, now these bolts are not magnetized, so it makes it a little bit more difficult. I find it easier to maybe get it started with your hand. First, and using your finger, pulling up to line it up with the screw holes, you can get them started. Again, using your finger, line it up through the top panel. Hand started. This will make things a lot easier. Next, we will reinstall our flame spreaders. Now you can replace your center burner. And along with your burner caps. These are all individually sized. Now we can reinstall our grates. Now we will reinstall the 2 screws securing the top panel. Now we can reinstall our front panel. To reinstall our front panel, slide the front panel through the burner shafts. Once installed, you can line your screw holes up. Reinstall your Phillip head screws. Once your screws are back in place, you can replace your burner knobs. And this will complete the repair.
Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.